Happy birthday to Ava. Actually, it's a very merry unbirthday to you, Ava. Yeah.
In the way of the photo.
No, you're in the photo. You're in the video.
Hi.
Oh, she's hanging out with her best friend. That's why. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh, pretty girl. Let's get a video of everything. We have the cake in the back because it's so sunny. Here's the napkins. Here's the red roses. Homemade marshmallows. Photo props. Straws. Cupcakes that Mommy made. Chocolate covered Oreos, cookies, and rosewater pistachio cookies. We have the tea for our mad tea party. And lastly, Ava's smash cake and a birthday cake. Yeah. Ava in Wonderland.